Ayan guys, is we are working together in Alisay. How many months you have here now?
6 months.
6 months?
Yes. In ABC2.
NABC2? Oh, 6 months.
Before I work
Where you work before?
in Coca-Cola.
Where in Pakistan, Coca-Cola? How many years there?
5 years.
Injection also?
But I have a multi experience in Pepsi, and after that I work in Coca-Cola.
Why you're not working Pepsi here, Jeddah?
But there is no vacancy, so
Mape, we have
Yeah.
more.
so that's I joined.
I
Alisay.
join. Oh, do you know Alisay?
Through LinkedIn.
LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Yeah, I am
LinkedIn,
also.
Yes.
Yes.
You also?
Yeah, I have a website. I log in LinkedIn.
Yes.
Yeah,
I also follow LinkedIn.
I follow also every day.
Yes.
Yes.
I also mostly I use LinkedIn.
LinkedIn. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then who process your visa? You or
Through
agency?
Agency.
Agency in
overseas.
Pakistan?
Yes, one
Al-Wahid,
Al-Suwaid.
Al-Sawaid.
Yes.
And then Al-Sawaid process, and then you come here.
Yes, yes.
Where's your accommodation here?
And ABC in this compound, Q1 compound.
Your morning shift?
Yes, I am in only in morning shift.
Now how Alisay? It's good?
Yes, yes. Good company.
Good salary?
Yes, salary is good. Everything is good.
So what first month, first week of the month,
Yes.
your
Yes.
salary will come?
Yes.
It's good?
Yes.
All good?
All good.
Oh, you are together. You come here.
I only two peoples.
Two
Me and my friend Mother
What
Street.
position?
Me.
You cook? Ah, with this guy. I know this
Yeah.
guy.
This is a Mother Street. He is a pelletizer operator.
Yes.
And I
And
am PLC automation engineer. You know instrument engineer?
yes, I know.
This is
All our is Tetra Pak or
on
Kronis?
Tetra Pak. Both sides. In Tetra Pak also.
Kronis also?
Yes, Kronos also. I have experience in both lines. On Tetra Pak, Kronos, KHS also.
Instrumentation, right?
Yes, instrumentation.
Instrumentation is good.
Yes. This field is, I like.
Why you are not applying Kronis for instrumentation
maybe,
technician?
Maybe after that, I will.
Yeah.
Yes.
You did not ask them. Now the technician is
From Kronos side.
from Kronis already.
After some time, maybe he is offering. If any vacancy appears, then I will apply.
No, your family is here,
No, I am only this. They provide only single visa.
single visa,
And I am
but you
not
have a
married.
family.
No, I am not married.
You're not
Single.
married.
No.
Really? How old are you now?
27.
Still young. Same
Yes.
same Tilsat.
Yes.
That's good.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank
Thank you. Shout out Pakistan. Yeah. What is your name?
Osama.
Osama.
And yours?
Angelito.
Angelito.
Okay,
Nice
thank you,
name.
Osama. Thank you.
Okay,
Have a nice. Filipina?
Filipino?
Asawa mo? Filipina? Filipina? Waray?
Oo.
Saan sa Waray? Sa Leyte o sa Ormoc? Sa Ormoc? Tangina mo. Pulis, ano yung pulis? Ano yung pulis? Harami?
Asawa mo, Pinay.
Oh. Ilan ang anak mo? Ilan ang anak mo?
Yan.
Ito?
Kaibigan mo, kaibigan?
Kaibigan mo yan eh. Si Raulo?
Si Raulo? Taga Mindanao?
Taga?
Cebu?
Taga Leyte. Leyte? Shout out muna sa Leyte. Shout out sa
mga
pamilya mo.
Pilipino sa
Shout out.
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas. Oh.
Maganda? Masikip?
Masikip?